ទៀតថ្ងៃនេះខ្ញុំចង់ធ្វើវីដេអូមួយដើម្បីចែករំលែកឬបង្ហាញពីបទពិសោធន៍ប្រជាពលរដ្ឋនៅក្នុងភូមិនេះធ្វើឥដ្ឋអញ្ចឹងធ្វើឥដ្ឋនេះគឺមានច្រើនប្រភេទភាគច្រើនប្រជាពលរដ្ឋនៅក្នុងនេះគឺឥដ្ឋធ្វើអំពីឧបករណ៍ផ្សេងប៉ុន្តែឥដ្ឋនៅក្នុងតំបន់នេះគេហាក់បីដូចជាប្លែកវាយកឥដ្ឋមកពីវាលស្រែឬដីដំបូកវាលស្រែដើម្បីលាយជុំអង្កាមហើយនឹងចំបើងដើម្បីធ្វើឥដ្ឋសាងសង់ផ្ទះឬវីឡានៅក្នុងភូមិនេះអញ្ចឹងខ្ញុំចង់បង្ហាញវីដេអូថ្មីដែលប្លែកសម្រាប់ប្រជាពលរដ្ឋបងប្អូនទាំងអស់គ្នាសូមអញ្ជើញទស្សនាទាំងអស់គ្នា From the field and from the other termite mound, and then you can mix with the straw, and after that you can mix with the other rice husk, yeah. And then you know how to make the brick. It is the mold that made from the wood here. So in the previous time in Cambodia, like in ancient time, most of the people in Cambodia when they build house and temple, they use the clay. And with the tamarind, palm sugar, resin from the tree, and with the clay and termite mound to apply to the wall of the temple. But now, our people in community here, they want to come back to the ancient during of the 1st century to 12th century. Yeah? And when they want to build house, they want to use the other brick from the city. They just make from here, and they do not to spend much money to build a house. So the first one, it is the how to make it is the we call the mold that made from the wood, the good quality, yeah, wood here. And first, you have to use the straw for clean here. At some part of the village, they don't use the water to put on the mold. They use the other oil to apply it. Yeah. After that, we clean here already. We always put the clay, and then you compress or massage with a strong finger, strong hand. See here. Can I have one more? We have to count 1, 2, 3, and then we leave. 1, 2, 3. Okay.
Yeah, bravo.
Hey.
one pit. Each pit we will add like a 5 barrel of the dirt. The dirt we take from over there. So we will split 2 groups. One group here and one group here. Step on it, make it softer and sticky. When it's done, we need like 2 guys to chop the rice straw over there. And then we will add like some rice skin